Marie, people are literally dancing in the loft as we speak. I mean, listen to this. We've got salsa going on. Okay, you'll see it here in a second. I'm trying to get to show you the amazing dancers that we have going right now. But in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, there we go. The Salsa with Silvia dance studio is reaching out to schools in the DMV area to expose students to the world of Latin dance. It's ahead of their Halloween dance party, and owner Silvia Alexiev joins us live in the loft with just a few of her friends to help us experience the culture and learn how we can get in on the fun. It's a party everywhere they go. Take a look at this. I absolutely love you guys. Spin on over here, Alexia, and let's... Yes! Now that's an entrance. It is so great to see you.
So good to see you.
This is so fun. And your story is so amazing. I mean, you started, what, in the basement?
We started in the basement of my house.
Yeah.
And a few years later, we opened up a big studio on Georgia Avenue. Today, we're opening a second location in Bethesda.
Okay, so when we say she started in the basement, how many students did you have then?
We had quite a few, actually.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, in a small basement, we were able to fit 26 people.
26 people. How many students do you have now, though?
Right now, we have on average about 2,000 sign-ins every month.
That's what I'm talking about. That's amazing. No wonder you need a second school. So let's talk about Hispanic Heritage Month, though, and how best to celebrate the culture and why dance and salsa is such a big part of that.
Dance and salsa music is a huge part of Hispanic culture. So what we're doing around this month is we're basically promoting and exposing everyone, educating everyone about salsa music. We take salsa to schools, we take salsa to companies, and we teach the kids, we teach the adults, because anyone can dance and it's so much fun.
Okay, can everyone do salsa?
Absolutely. I guarantee you.
So what's the key to being able to do salsa?
The key is be happy, be positive,
There you go.
and just move with the music.
All right, so with that, I want you guys to know, look, this is when everybody's going to ignore me. Silvia said that she would teach us all how to do salsa if anybody would like to come over and learn how to do the dance.
But we're doing this over here.
Look at them all run.
Wisdom is the
Wisdom.
run.
Yeah, right? Okay.
Do a research.
Right? Okay.
It's all you, Wisdom.
Oh, no, they fun one. Okay, so let's learn. So how do
All
we
right.
do?
So we step forward on the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Good job, Holly.
And then really everything just goes on from here?
From here, now we're gonna go to the side. Ready? This way. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You're a professional.
That might not be my first salsa.
1, 2, 3.
And I'm not talking about the kind you dip in chips.
You can. Do you want to try with Mario?
I want to try with a partner. Wait, yes.
Right
Okay, wait.
here.
Hold this. Be very careful. Okay, now, Silvia, you'll have to narrate.
3, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Woo!
There we go. Okay, I got it.
Holly, you can be a great salsa dancer. You should come to the studio.
Okay, so how do people do the free lessons, and where are they in Bethesda?
So, in Bethesda, 4731 Elm Street, right in the heart of Bethesda, and we're opening at the end of October. So, just shoot us an email and you get a week of free lessons.
I'm ready for Salsa 102. I'm just kidding. All right, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hopefully we've inspired you. And I see you, Wisdom. Don't think that I don't. I apologize that you can't see it at home, but it might be better that you don't. All right, ladies, I'm going to hand it over to you guys.
I love that. That's what good exercise, too, right?
How is it natural? She's got that like good
I love it. Okay. And Holly mentioned her hips, in fact, do not lie.
They do not.
So she's good. Okay, so